friends, it's Quenby, the Grateful Queen, here on YouTube. Thank you for joining me for another Jomar Wholesale unboxing and review video. I bought this box again, friends. I bought a NWT Target women's clothing box. Why? I love the brand, it sells well, it was priced right. I'll put up on the screen what the cost of this box was and what the cost per item was. Also, to be honest, when I get these boxes, I get really excited if there's something in there that I get to keep for myself, and I really loved the stuff I got on my I'm going to do a huge haul of items that I plan to sell on Poshmark and eBay. I've been selling on eBay for 10 years, mostly fashion stuff. I'm also on Etsy now. I put all my digital products like my reselling tracker sheet and my reselling daily to-do list. All that stuff is linked in the description section below. Mystery box! Let's get into this box. I see some denim. I'm so excited about denim right now, you guys, because denim's been selling so well for me. These are super cute. Vintage stretch, they're called. I love this particular brand from Target. Universal thread. These are size 12. I love that. 31, and they're short. These are total mom jeans. Oh my God.
Hello, 1990.
High-waisted, and they have like an acid stonewash. So when I list these on eBay, I will put universal thread, women's jeans, size 12, short, vintage straight. And then I will put lots of keywords in like mom jeans, vintage inspired, acid wash, stonewash. I always do my titles the same way, and I'm telling you my titles because I have a lot of beginners that watch this channel that are newer to reselling and they want to learn. And titles are so important, you guys. I can't tell you how important they are.
I'm going to try to tell you how important they are right now, though.
There's so many jeans listed on eBay. How is someone going to find my jeans? So I put in the title the same way every time. The name, brand, who's it for, what size is it, what is it, and then a ton of keywords so that people can find my universal thread jeans when they're searching for a pair of high-waisted mom jeans. I'll of course put NWT tags. That's what's awesome about this box. Jomar, I love you. It's NWT tags. I got this dress in my last box, but in a different size. It's a maxi dress, but it is so on point style-wise for summer 2021.
I feel like I have lipstick on my teeth, do I? You guys would tell me in the comments, right?
But this is like, it's stretchy smocked at the top. It has tons of ruffles. Ruffles, 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 ruffles. And these long tiered maxi dresses and skirts are very, very popular. I know because I've been looking for them for myself, and people have the prices jacked way up because tiered long skirts, ruffly skirts, boho peasant skirts are super on point right now, and everyone wants one. Ooh, I want this. Oh yes. A New Day. This is one of my favorite brands at Target. This is a size large. It retailed for $24.99, and it's a black pullover sweatshirt. I like this because it's full zip, but it doesn't have a hood. It just has a mock neck, really soft. I know that I should be thinking about fall. Here's a reselling tip. Resellers, it's really smart to think a season ahead. So it's summer now. Everybody's looking for shorts and dresses and swimsuits, and you need to have that in your store or closet wherever you sell online. But in a couple of months, everyone's going to be getting ready for fall. By August, everyone's looking for sweatshirts and jeans. So it's smart to think ahead, set aside some stuff, shop out of season in the thrift store so you can be ready. Super cute, a New Day, size 8. These are like a pair of high-waisted mom pants. They're cropped, they have a little roll. Super, super cute and practical. And the great thing is, too, guys, I can find stock photos for most of this stuff because it's recent stuff. And I can find a stock photo really easily on Google. Oh, please fit me, I love you. Size small, I'm more like a size 12. $24.99, an ivory white top. Look at all those ruffles though. It has a balloon sleeve because of the shape and that it goes out to an elastic. And this is called a keyhole in the back. It's sometimes in the front or the back. It's called a keyhole. So on point. Look at these subtle embroidery. This is so boho romantic. I love it. I wish this was like a large or an extra large. I would keep that. Does anyone have it in a large or an extra large? If you want any of this stuff, just message me on Instagram at The Grateful Queen. I hope you're following me over there. Follow me on Instagram. I post on there like every day. Where on YouTube I post, you know, a couple videos a week, and I do a live every Friday at 5 p.m. Pacific time. This is Wild Fable. I love this brand. I've sold it before. So I hope to sell this stuff between like 10 and 25 bucks. Just quick flip inventory. This is a cropped top, long sleeve crop top, really stylish. I love the color of this. So on the camera it looks really yellow, but to me it's more like a muted, almost mustard yellow. Oh yes, this one might stay with me. Oh, it's an extra large Wild Fable cropped rib sweater. So it's really boxy, and it's a kind of a crop length. Super duper soft. Like, I'm putting that in the Quemby try-on pile. I hope there's a big Quemby try-on pile. I love it, love it, love it. Yes, I'm happy when I open a mystery box. This is awesome. Prologue. Is this sold at Target? Apparently it is, and I'm holding it to you upside down. Prologue, size XL. That's awesome. It's a really big, chunky knit sweater. It's got all these notes on it, made with recycled poly. Wow, I'm not familiar with this brand as much. Super oversized mock neck, chunky knit sweater with balloon sleeves. See the chunky textured knit on that? Jomar, I love you for selling me not only spring and summer stuff. I'm happy to get that, but this is a mix. I've got some stuff I'll put in a bin that says list in fall. Oh, I love this print. I got this skirt in my last box. It's a medium. Someone needs this. $27.99. Look at this. It's elastic waist with this bright pink floral, and then it's a accordion pleat. So this is called an accordion pleat or a micro pleat. This is just awesome. I mean, if I could wear like a high-waisted skirt with a fitted shirt, that would be a perfect outfit, but it doesn't really work for me. Wow, there's lots of different stuff in this box. I have a video, if you're interested, if you're considering a Target box for your reselling business, and you want to know, hey, what might I get? Well, I have this box and another, and this is different stuff, so that's exciting. Universal thread size 14. I love the color on these cutoffs. Look at this. Like a blush pink. High-rise midi shorts, fitted hip and legs, smooths and sculpts. I might put that in my try-on pile too.
I need some smoothing and some sculpting.
Sculpting? Sculpting, do you? Do you need some smoothing and some sculpting? Hope it's not just me. Fifth Son. I'm getting some different brands. Be the person your pet thinks you are. Oh my god, that is so good. I don't have a pet, but like, isn't that awesome? Graphic tee, super cute. Size medium, cotton poly blend. I love that. Oh, this is that Wild Fable shirt in an extra small, that cropped one. I like multiples. Wow, there's really different stuff in here. Isabel Maternity by Ingrid and Isabel. Wow, there's a lot of mixed brands in here. Size large, like a black strip. Drop in the clothes like I always do. Now we have next up. Oh my, what is that? What? Wild Fable size large, okay. Ribbed shirt. What is this? What is this here? Am I like, is that a sloth? Like, could that be? Because somebody needs a sloth. I could be totally wrong, and it's a different animal, but I think it's a sloth t-shirt. I'm getting graphic tees. What? I didn't even know they sold these here. Here's a Super Nintendo black graphic tee, size large. Is this men's? Official licensed product, athletic fit. Super Mario Kart. I have no idea. I'm so out of my depth here. Oh, this is a Disney one. Wow, a Disney collab with Fifth Son, Aladdin t-shirt. So I don't know about this particular collab, you guys, but Target has done collabs with other designers, And sometimes they sell out. They did one a few years ago with Vineyard Vines, and everyone was nuts about that. It sold out. People were going to different stores. They've done one with Marimekko, with other designers. I didn't know they did one with Disney, if that's what that is. That's amazing. Something with dots. Size small, like a women's ruffly blouse. Polka dot, navy. Flutter sleeve there. Beautiful. Look at this. Wow. What is this? This is a maxi skirt. These are really on trend for summer 2021. Everyone is wearing long skirts with tiers, with ruffles, or midi skirts. This is size large, a new day, retailed for $27.99. And it's a long, like, lace skirt. So for my title for this one, I would put a new day, women's skirt, size large, maxi, tiered, lace, and any other great keywords. I might put elastic waist. I might put boho or peasant. That is how you get your items found in search so that they sell for you. Oops. That they sell for you on eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, Depop, Facebook and Marketplace. All the places online have an algorithm. And eBay loves when you put great keywords in there and you have a really great title, so people are going to find your item and buy your item. This is cute. It's like a coral tank top, but it's really, really gauzy. It's Mossimo. This is another great Target brand. This is a 2X too, so thank you for a plus size. Really nice, like, gauzy tanky. Okay, we've got another universal thread size XL t-shirt, but it's got like those really nice sleeves on it. This one I love. I love, love, love this. This is a size medium, universal thread. Look at the lace. The lace and the pleating. Lace crochet peasant top. Just really gorgeous. This one was $24.99, so if I can put it up there for like 15 bucks with a few dollars shipping, I'll be happy. Thank you for watching. I've got a number more items for you, but I hope that you've liked the video and that you're subscribed. Another Isabel maternity size large. Black top with all this ruching here for your beautiful belly. And this is a t-shirt, a perfectly soft, a new day, size medium. The perfect women's white staple piece t-shirt. And this is a sweater. I'm so glad I got some sweaters by Wild Fable, and it's a size medium, and it's a cropped, boxy, striped, super soft sweater. Ooh, my favorite, white. Oh, I wonder if this would be in my size. Small, probably not. I would love one of these skirts. It's that same elastic waist women's tiered skirt, but in small. Absolutely love it. So happy with this box. I'll make a lot of money on it. Check out Jomar. You can use my discount code, The Grateful Queen, all one word. It's a win-win. You get a discount, I get points, I get to make videos. I really appreciate it. But they've got new tags boxes. They've got vintage, pre-owned, shoes, handbags, everything. And it all comes right to your door. So you don't have to be out there sourcing all the time. Saves time. So I appreciate you watching. I love doing videos with you, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Love you guys. Bye. Ooh. Yes, I'm excited because it looks like there's some different stuff when I look in. Okay, yeah, baby. Whoopsie. Just my getting ready nonsense. Don't worry about me. Over here making videos. I'm having trouble, like, remembering if I'm supposed to look right at the lens or if I'm supposed to look at that dot over there. So I hope I didn't make a whole video where it's like, I'm like looking at in the wrong place. And I cannot remember, honestly. I'll have to do a little tester. Like, which is the right place. Who's coming over to help me with this giant pile? I'm in Northern California. Just hop on a plane because I've got pile. I also have a Jomar Free People box that I just unboxed sitting over there. Like, I have a lot of stuff. Whoa. Didn't expect that. Let's open up this box together, get a first peek of what's inside, and then I'm going to do a haul of items that I plan to send on Get Talking. Have some water. Okay, let me get this box somewhere I can see it. Did they send me an invoice on this one? Did I just pull it out and didn't notice? Story of my life. Nope, this is my J. Crew box. This is my Free People box. Where is my other one? Oh well. Okay, let's get this party started. Party! I do this every time with the box. Wiggling and... okay. Help me out, friends. Yeah. Oh, they just keep letting me make videos. No one's kicked me off yet. It's probably coming at some point, but until then, I'm just gonna keep making these videos and making bloopers